Okay, guys, let's talk about our course first. So the modules are the same as they were. Stay up with the readings and the PowerPoints. This week's chapter 12 and 13. There's an email, making sure that's not an email from the university about the situation, and it's not. So stay up with those readings and PowerPoints. Next week we have our last assignment for the course, very similar to the first one. And so I'll send you some instructions on that next week as well. The process continues to change and evolve. And so as things develop, I'll make sure that I keep you informed. Right now I'm getting the same emails and information that you are. There's no special thing that I see that you're not seeing, so it's pretty similar. So if there is a change, I'll be sure and let you know what happens as I get that information. So for now, focus on what's important. Stay safe. Check on your family, friends, loved ones, all that good stuff. And if you have questions, please email us and ask us. We're here for you. So, keep up with all the information that's there. I'll be in touch with some more updates weekly. But for this week, 12 and 13 chapters, PowerPoints, video reviews, and there'll be more information to come. Have a great week, guys. Stay safe.